In this video, I am going to show you how to create an ad in a new campaign on Pinterest. 1. Open your web browser and log into your Pinterest business account. 2. Click on the hamburger icon located at the top left corner of the page. Under the Ads section, click on Create Campaign. Next, click on Manual Campaign and then select Get Started. After starting your campaign, click on Ads in the left side navigation bar. Use the following steps to select the pins you want to promote. Click the filter icon to filter ads by format. Click All Pins to view all of your pins, or click Boards to select pins from your boards. Use the search bar to find a specific pin, and to create a new pin, click All Pins, then click the plus circle icon top to the pin builder. Once ready, click Publish to publish your organic pins. Under your selected pins, click Review Selected Pins to add details to your ads. Review and edit the ad name for labeling it in your reporting, and review and edit the ad destination URL, adding any optional tracking parameters as needed. And when you're done, click Publish. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.